Forgive or forget. In a relationship, a choice that can make or break the bond between two people. Forgiveness is about letting go of the hurt and anger, not for the other person's sake, but yours. It's about process that takes time, effort, and vulnerability. Forgetting, on the other hand, is about erasing the memory of the hurt, which is often impossible. The question is, can you forgive without forgetting? The answer is yes, but it requires a deep understanding of why the hurt happens and a willingness to move forward. Forgiveness doesn't mean reconciliation, and it doesn't mean that hurt was not real. It means you're choosing to release the negative emotions attached to her. Forgetting, however, can be a recipe for disaster, as it may lead to repeating the same mistakes. In relationship, it's often said that forgiveness is a gift you give yourself, while forgetting is a risk you take for the other person. Ultimately, the decision to forgive or forget depends on the severity of the hurt and the willingness of both parties to work through it.